it's your GTI motherfucking guy. That was stupid. All right, let's go. Your boy's back. The car dirty. You already know. You ready for a nasty cold start? Look at that baby. God damn, it's cold out. Why do I have shorts on? Let's go, let's go, let's go. What is good, boys? Welcome back to another video with your boy. I miss you guys. It's been so long. Oh my god. Okay, quick rundown, because I hate like long intros after I haven't done a video in a while. Life has been rough. What happened? Happy New Year to you guys. Merry Christmas. I hope you guys had a good time. It's been a rough month. I had a lot of stuff happen where like I wasn't able to film one, and then like I didn't have the car for a little bit. And then, oh my god, dude, just like a bunch of, you know, one of those things where like one thing happens and then you think it's not gonna get any worse and another thing happens and just, you know, life stuff. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, your boy is back. I'm so excited. And this is a new year for the channel and we're gonna go farther than ever. When you work a full-time job and then you put overtime into a full-time job, by the time I get home and try to see my girlfriend and try to see my family, like that takes up the rest of my time, and then I feel guilty trying to film a video, but like I'm trying to make this my job, so it's kind of like it's hard to prioritize things that happen in your life every day. But we're super busy for year end at work and everything, but we're good now. So welcome back. I missed you guys. Let's do a video. In today's video we're gonna be putting a new spicy diffuser on the GTI from Strafe Design. I was very fortunate enough to have them send me this product, and we're gonna test fit it, put it up, see how she do. If you guys would like to get something off of Strafe Design, your boy can get you 10% off. Use code Kenya. I'll leave all the details down below if you guys want to go check it out. Strafe Design, they make really good products. Finally be able to prioritize what's important to me, which is you guys and the channel and growing the channel. It's gonna be so good. All right, let's go. I gotta go, we're gonna go wash the car because she's a little dirty, and then go from there. We back. All right, she's all cleaned up, nice and tidy clean. All right, let's head back. Go take a look at the new diffuser versus the old one. So what I have on here now is I have the V4 Strafe Design spats, as well as the V3 diffuser, and they sent me the new V4 with a little bit of a different style fin on the bottom, so I'm pretty stoked. This is gonna be sick. POV box view. Oh, fresh diffuser. Let's go. So this is the V4. The V4 actually kind of like hangs off of the car on like its own separate mounts. Has two mounting points like right here, and then the other ones are kind of all the way on the inside, like up in here. The new one, oh baby. Ooh, this is gonna be spicy on here. What do we think? Oh, it's gonna be so clean. And it'll actually, so I believe this one sits on the actual like stock diffuser piece. So yeah, this is gonna be kind of sick. Yo, I'm so excited. We haven't done like anything new exterior wise in a while. Your boy's kind of hyped. This is so cool. Like I said earlier, the fact that we've come this far and we can work with the company is just like, you know, even like a little thing. It's so cool. Yeah, shout out to Strafe. Shout out to the Strafe fam. Mounting bolts, and there should be like a, yeah. Okay. Cool. So, when you go to put this in, it's actually super easy. If you don't already have a V3 in, so these bolts right here are gonna be your two mounting bolts. There's one right here, and there's one right there. Those, the long ones right there. And then those are gonna go right in here. And then it's gonna suck it right up to the body right there. And then these holes right here are for your like little self-tapping screws. Those will go right in there, and then I believe that should line up right with this little corner piece here, and that's literally it, man. That should be good, right? That's chilling. Oh, plenty of room, baby. We've worked with worse. Don't mind that she's dirty. She real dirty. Oh boy, yo, I'm actually so hyped to get this off. Oh. Luckily, I don't know where my 10 is. Give me a chance to try out my new ratchet. Also, a little hack for you guys. When you mount these, go buy a little, go to Home Depot, couple of cents. It'll cost you like $1 total. get a couple of those little thin rubber washers and then put them on the top side of the metal one. That way you don't scratch anything, and then you're a lot less likely to get any kind of vibrations that you don't like. Know what I'm saying? Throw out your back. Be a man. Okay, I didn't put rubber ones on, but I thought I did. Or like urethane ones work really good too. Just so you don't scratch it all to shit, but you also don't, less likely to get any kind of vibrations or anything. It's so sketchy. Hey. I thought these had rubber on them. Why am I not seeing any? Maybe I did it on the spats. Oh, they're right here. I did them on the spats. Okay, okay. Yeah, I did it. Alright, that's already almost up. At least everything's like really muddy. That works out really good for me, you know? Yo, should I clean this and do a giveaway? Oh, yo, it worked really good. It's actually clean as under here. That's kind of sick. Out with the old and in with the new. Couple little Strafe stickers, kind of tight. They also sent me a gigantic banner. I gotta figure out what to do with it. Okay, so these, if you don't have these mounted on, that's what this is for. And then you're gonna end up making a stud that goes through, and then you're gonna bolt it on, then it'll be just like this. But I have faith that those are the same, so I might not need to do that. But we'll put new washers on. Found the rubber ones, so we're gonna put those on the top and the bottom of the metal ones, that way nothing vibrates. And then you got your two little ones right here for afterwards that are gonna end up going like right here, I believe. That way she's on there nice and tight. All right, then you just hand tight these. Then after you do that, you're gonna come up here and you're gonna slide it back to where you want it, position everything. And then these are gonna mount right up in here. Nice. I would recommend doing these by hand. It's not gonna take too much to get them in, you know what I'm saying? Don't forget to go down there and hit the subscribe button and join us because we're growing fast. We just hit 3,000 subscribers. This stuff's so cool. It's so exciting. Look at that. Money, like, look at that. No rattle. Not going anywhere. Oh, it's so hype. It's much more like casual, but aggressive still. Let's go. All right, when you get it cleaned up, no do montage. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like lens might be a little bit blurry. Your boy got a haircut. Your boy's rocking the stash. We're like 4 days later. I want to end this video off one more time, say thank you to Strafe. It's really cool for me to be moving forward in the channel and be able to work with companies and stuff. Big, small, I appreciate it. It's crazy to think that we've come this far. I'm going to throw this in there to end this video for you guys. I'm going to try to update something. I've had a really, sorry, it's foggy, it's really cold in here. I've had a really hard time trying to balance work, daylight. Like, I lose daylight by the end of the day. And, I don't know, it really sucks, and I want to like give you guys as much as possible, but it's wintertime, I'm losing light, and I have 4,000 things going on every day, so I'm going to try my absolute best to make sure that I give myself the week to work. Why does it keep fogging up? Give myself the week to work, and then I'm going to film Friday, Saturday, and edit Sundays. That way you guys have like videos like Monday, Tuesdays. Hopefully, I'm going to try my absolute best to do that, and then when we get back into like having more daylight and shit, and we can really get back on the grind, focus on everything. But I'll tell you right now, your boy's got new wheels coming. Your boy's got coilovers coming, and then when it starts getting a little warmer, your boy's got more power coming. And I'm gonna keep wiping this camera. Your boy will catch you in the next one. Just keep driving. Shout out Ken Block. We love you, brother. And you left the biggest imprint on planet Earth any driver ever has. And I don't give a what anybody says. Until the next one, guys. Keep it real. Your boy's out. Peace. Foggy.